So I'm about to bleach my own head top. Let's see how this goes. I got like 20 volume developer in here and some bleach. We're gonna see what's popping, y'all. Today is just a wild day for us, man. Promise I'm not having a midlife crisis. I hope this turns out good. Anyhow, I end up with like chicken nugget and this better go good, I swear. Like, this better go good. My hair better freaking lift. On levels, on higher key levels. I think it's working. Oh no, we don't want to miss the front. Put it all this way and then put it all this way. I don't even know how to apply bleach to short hair like this. Like, I really don't. Are you watching Madagascar over here?
Yeah.
I just heard the Save Us Mailman song. Save us! Mailman! Mailman! Save us! No, I think my hair's lifting. I don't know.
You want me to help?
I think I'm good right now. I'm doing it myself. It's a self video. Doing it myself. DIY, do it yourself. DIY bleach. Maybe that's what I'll call it. DIY bleaching my head. Maybe I shouldn't be being so rough with this brush because it's a little tingly. My head top right now. A little tingly. My hair's like, save us!
Literally.
Oh my god. Oh! It's on my ear. Wow, I want to know James Charles is getting it in our eyes. What'd you say?
Do you need help? Do the other side of your hair.
Shh. Excuse me.
You're not doing the back well.
I'm not there yet. How are you telling me to do?
Taking you an awful long time for somebody with no hair.
Excuse me. I'm trying my best here.
Your hair's getting lighter.
Is it?
Yeah.
Feels like it. Well, that burns that mosquito bite. You're right. That actually hurts. Soft tan. I had to look tingly now. Look at itch on a 1-2. Look at 1-2 itch. Save us. No man. Well, there's like this guy that works at the bank. And he literally has bangs down like this. The front's bangs. And then he has a mohawk right here. Looks so funny. So we're gonna wait long enough. We're gonna wait long enough that this is not too yellow. We want to get it like super white. I'm trying to get this super white. It's literally been like 5 minutes and it's already like whoa. So I'm gonna hit you guys back up and we're gonna tone this. Look how orange the top of my head is. I'm like so hoping that this toner is gonna take that out because everything else looks pretty dope. I might have to line myself up a little bit because I see my lineup's like a little weird right here. I think I like missed the front of my lineup a little bit. But I think that's all good. I think we're all good. This came out like alright, besides this like patch of orange on the top of my freaking head. So what I got here is 10p color sync. This is matrix, and I got 8p. We're gonna mix like a little bit of 8p and mostly some 10p and hope we can get this out of my brain. Alright guys? Let's put a little bit of this 8p in here. I'm gonna put most of this 10p in here. Oh, sorry. I hope this goes over well. I'm gonna mix this and apply this quick, or my head's gonna go purple quick. Bro, I hope I get rid of this orange. If I don't get rid of this orange, I'm gonna be so buttered. It's like yellow, yo. It's yellow back there. And this right here is my end result. I'm honestly like pretty satisfied. It came out a lot better than I thought it was going to, except there's like yellow in this area and in this area. you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm definitely gonna have to tone this again, but it's like 3 o'clock in the morning, so I'm gonna take my head to bed, and I'll hit you up tomorrow. We're not quite where I want to be, so I'm gonna go back in with 20 volume and more bleach. We're toning again, but we're running a shower because it's hella cold in my bathroom right now. I'll hit you guys back up when I'm rinsing this toner out. Alright, so I toned my hair. And like, I have this weird feeling it looks exactly like what it did right before I toned it. Like, I'm hella confused right now. I think I need like some blue base toner or something. Like, I don't even know. I'm gonna have to go back and hit the books and see what's up. Cause I don't know, let me know what you think. You think it's a little lighter than what it was before I slapped the toner in for the second time and bleached it for the second time? Or you think I just killed my scalp and hair for no reason? Anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll be back at you with the next one. Till next time, peace out.
Wow, dripping, sauce. Said that I walk, really want, leaning, wow. Be what you sipping, huh? Post up, out front. See all my goons in the yard, in the cut. What you want? You ain't want enough from my squad. Double up. Be what you got in your cup, huh? Load that.